Make your loved ones feel safe wherever they are. So, I was in a car accident a few years ago and I was really nervous every time I drove. That was until I saw this Guardian Crystal Kit from Conscious Items on Instagram. I remember and I shared it with my mom and she just surprised it by gifting it to me weeks later. I immediately wanted to add it to my car and see how it feels. It has all these stones: rose quartz for loving protection, black obsidian that repels danger, and a clean, clear quartz that cleanses the energy. I don't know how it works, but all I know is I feel calmer and I feel a protective energy surrounding me. These are just so beautiful too. I love that these invisible clips give it that floating-like illusion, and they're super easy to install. These metal clips are firmly drilled into the stones and stay intact, even in extreme cold or heat. Okay, try the Guardian Crystal Kit now. Get yours today. They are 30% off this week. Grab it for yourself now. Go, 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 go.